I'm back to my old spot. Looks like somebody was having a party here. Dead fish over there, not going to try to catch that one. I did just see a trout rise over here, but I'm going to do something goofy and start out with a floating rapala. We'll see if they take it. I know I've caught a trout on it before, so I'm not too crazy, but it might be a little too big for this, but we'll see. Meeting a friend here too. He's probably going to be here in a little while, but looking forward to getting out on the water. And it's kind of a toasty day, so really looking forward to getting in that water. All right, let's do it. Seriously, a tennis ball? Definitely gonna switch to my fly rod because they are rising everywhere. It's a little windy, but let's see if I can get a good drift because I'm seeing them rise like crazy. Oh, there was a hit on it, darn it. Oh. He spit it.
Put that little spinner on?
Yep.
Any bites?
I had one follow, but no bites really. Oh, there's another, that same little trout's following it. Or same size one, I should say. Yeah, it's just the flow is so different now.
Gotta go down the hole?
Yeah, that's what she said. Yeah, I mean, they're all over. Whoa, did you get that? Did you see that thing?
You gonna get it?
Uh,
Try from that side, I'll try from the other one.
I mean, he's going airborne for dries, man.
Try a little tiny dry.
I got one that I tied that is a different color and slightly different.
Maybe that blue olive, do you have one of those?
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Oh, I had a little one. Super teeny. Really pink rainbow right in front of me. So we fished a lot in my normal spot, and we saw a lot. My friend caught hooked a real nice one on the pig sticker, but then he lost it. There's a deer running away from me. But I figured I'd drop in this hole and see if I could get something. This is where I've caught a lot of browns in here. So I'm just gonna see if I can get one. I better get out there a little bit further. The problem is they've dropped the water level so much that all the what used to be deep holes are now pretty darn shallow. Oh, he got off. That was a nice fish. And did you see how deep that was? Good grief. Oh, there's one. Alright, nice follow-up. Not the same fish. Definitely smaller, but a nice fish nonetheless. Gets the skunk out, that's for sure. This is like half the size of the one that just was on. That kills me. That one was big. Alright, I'm gonna get him back in the water. I've had him long enough. But nice little brown trout. Hope y'all can see that. Get him back in. Dang, that big one. Oh, got one. Got another one. I don't know where he went, but oh, here he is. Oh, he got off, darn it.